Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, both signs coming in the video, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another.
Look at this dude.
Black video. Yeah. Remember 3 days or 2 days ago, 3 people or some bugger people come on the internet and I say straight badness, dunceness, everything, whatever. Alright? Then do a video, put it on the internet. Something not right now. I call that one here government badness. Much people, we're gonna do a before and after reaction video. Alright, well, me no really see it as yet. But before we kick it off, guys, please consider to subscribe and share and like and do all of the good things then, because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. Alright? We ready.
We're rich and we have to hide. Fully done. Fuck government. Big up Jamaican. Jamaican. Fuck government. Fully done. What we at then? Bob hide. Fully done. Suck your mother and chew on us every government. I done a yard cost 25 over.
We're just at a party, you know, having some fun, you know, but I was overdosed with the alcohol, so that was the reason, and I didn't deliberately post that video. So all of who is calling me a wanted man and this and that, I ain't wanted. Alright, so I'm just trying to let the world know that I'm not wanted, and I'm just trying to apologize to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, HOLNESS, on the behalf of this video. You have been doing good in the country, man, and I'm gonna give you a thumbs up for that. Alright, so God is good, and I hope this video go viral just as the other one. Thank you very much. Fully done, so I'm out.
And we'll pick the water. Big pussy police, Andrew's gonna suck your mama, you can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there. Life me and make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is a suck cock.
Go ahead.
Right. Note, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can stand down on the record.
Yes. Good evening, Jamaica. My name is Dimitri. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew HOLNESS, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constable Force.
I'm afraid of Andrew HOLNESS and the police. Me not afraid of Andrew HOLNESS. Me a bad man. Police, me a bad man. You don't know if you find me. 350 Julius Road, Arnett Garden, Kingston 12. Me not run. Police go suck your mother. Any police work come for me, I bullet.
A video on my Facebook page, and I know it gone viral and people in Jamaica take it serious, especially I think the government and the police constabulary force. And I just want to let everybody know it was just all a joke. It was nothing serious. You know, I get the video on my phone last night, and I just jump out my car and I just out of the heat at the moment. I just made that video and I send it out. As you know, all is on YouTube and Twitter, all these pages talking about stuff, blogging about stuff, but just want to let everybody know, just keep calm. I didn't mean anything by it. It was just purely a joke. I was just mimicking what happened to the guys them in I think it was Ola Bar, Spanish Town. I'm not even quite sure. I know I just realized that this video gone viral.
Bruh. Me no know if you tell you, say. Yo. Yo. When you comment down below, yeah? Cause me no know what to say. All me can say is, you see ego and attention seeking people. Yo, just be careful what you do in a life, you hear? Cause karma is a thing. Anything you do or say will come back around and bite you pretty much. That's all me have to say. You see it, so when you go on journey with your boy, let me know what you want to say in the comments and what you feel. Alright? Ah, shoo!
Yeah.